Hey, it's John. The snow season's winding down, but you don't want to get stuck paying for bad service until the end. Here's 5 short questions that you can text or ask. This will separate the real pros from the ones who will leave you hanging. I've seen it every winter. The good guys answer straight, but the rest, they dodge or disappear. These 5 questions will cut through the noise fast. Question 1. Send me your WSIB and insurance documents right now. No quick reply, move on. Question 2. What happens if you scrape my lawn or dent my car? Who pays? If it's a vague like, we'll see, then that's a no. Question number 3. What's included? How many passes after a snowfall? When do they come? Do they do the driveway, the sidewalks? What's all included? If they can't spell it out clearly, don't risk it. Are you good with a payment after each time you come to do the snow removal, or do you want cash up front? If you have pushback on pay per storm or no guarantee, then there's a problem. Many complaints come from full payment up front with no follow through. Question number 5. Can you give me a full contract, signed, dated, everything laid out? Legit pros will provide a contract with no hesitation. Send those 5 questions. The good pros will send a response fast. The rest, you just saved yourself a headache. That's the power of asking right away. Do you want the exact copy and paste text I use? $9.99, link in the description. Grab it before the next storm hits. Stay safe out there. Spring's coming. More tips on concrete and driveways soon. Please like and subscribe if this helps. Talk soon.